I work in front of customers, so always wondering how I look is one of my problems every day. So I decided to get this mirror, and I just love something that is very small, that is very portable. I can carry it with me in my little purse. Otherwise, it's just too complicated. But this one, on top of that, being super nice, the old designs over here. This one also has like a zoom option, and a regular option of looking at yourself, but also it has this feature of this light, so that way when you're looking at yourself, you know, you have this little light just in case you know you're in a darker place that you need to just look at yourself, or you want to have a better look about what's going on. So this is a fantastic option that is very small, portable, affordable. So feels glamorous, and actually a cute gift also to give to your girlfriends or whoever, honestly. So I really love how compact it is, and you can replace the batteries right here, but it does come with batteries. So this is a great option for you to carry with you in your purse.